Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create golden coloring for your videos in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit and go to overlay and add this videos as overlay. Okay, fit the size. Then you can just go to blend, click on overlay and set it to around 35. Okay, and then go to add overlay again and add this orange golden picture, fit the size again, then go to blend, overlay and set it to around 30. Okay, like this. And lastly, you need to go to effect, video effects, click on lens and add the edge glow effect. Set it to your liking. I'm going to go with 30. Okay, now find the adjust and follow the settings. So for the brightness, you can increase it to 5, contrast also 5, and then the highlight 10. And after that, you are done and you'll get this result. Okay, so that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.